The Surprisingly Gruesome World of Body Replacement. A review of Mary Roach's Replaceable You. Mary Roach's latest book, Replaceable You, Adventures in Human Anatomy, isn't for the faint of heart. It's a deeply researched, often darkly humorous exploration of humanity's relentless drive to repair, replace, and even enhance our bodies, from the mundane dentures to the cutting-edge, lab-grown organs. The book dives into the messy, sometimes unsettling reality of medical innovation and why we keep pushing these boundaries. The quest for a better body. Roach doesn't shy away from the gruesome details. She interviews surgeons, scientists, and patients across the globe, revealing the bizarre and occasionally terrifying procedures used to fix broken parts. The book isn't just about technology, it's about the human element, the surgeons who graft intestines into vaginas with the potential for interesting results, the patients who live with ostomy bags, and the researchers struggling to 3D print functional organs. The book's strength lies in its candidness. Roach doesn't sanitize the process. She describes extracted fat and blood as a raspberry smoothie and bone implants being hammered in like a tent steak. This isn't a sanitized medical textbook. It's a raw, unfiltered look at what it takes to keep us functioning, and sometimes to make us better. Beyond replacement. The ethics and limits of enhancement. Replaceable You also raises fundamental questions about what it means to be human. The pursuit of replacement isn't just about fixing defects. It's about challenging the natural limits of our bodies. Roach explores this in her own small way, undergoing a hair transplant experiment that ultimately fails, highlighting the complexities of even seemingly simple procedures. The book touches on the stigma surrounding medical devices like ostomy bags, emphasizing the need for greater acceptance and understanding. The technology exists to improve lives, but societal discomfort often gets in the way. This highlights a broader trend. Medical advancements often outpace our ability to grapple with their ethical and social implications. The future of body modification, the chapter on 3D printed organs, is particularly sobering. While the idea of printing a new heart sounds futuristic, Roach explains why it's far more difficult than imagined. Replicating the intricate structure of organs with multiple cell types remains a major hurdle. Researchers are still struggling to explain why printed tissue often fails to function like the real thing. Despite the challenges, the book suggests the quest for replaceable you will continue. Whether it's gene-edited pig hearts or lab-grown replacements, humanity will keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The question isn't if we'll replace more of ourselves, but how and at what cost. Ultimately, Replaceable You is a compelling and often disturbing reminder of how fragile, messy, and profoundly complex the human body truly is. It leaves you not just informed, but grateful for every working part you still have.